Well, let's begin with the political showdown. The question is, will Leader of Opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, be expelled from the House? The question has come up after the BJP MP, Nishikant Dubey, filed a notice against him. Now, he said that there are many outrageous allegations that were made in the Lok Sabha by Rahul Gandhi. And the government, you remember, had initially thought that it would bring a breach of privilege motion against Rahul Gandhi. But then came a rethink, because what Rahul Gandhi faces now is not a privilege notice, but a motion of expulsion. The BJP MP Nishikant Dubey has filed a notice to terminate the Congress MP's parliamentary membership.
ये जो लीडर ऑफ द अपोजिशन है राहुल गांधी सर, ये अर्बन नक्सल की तरह बिहेव करता है और इसका सोरोस फाउंडेशन के साथ रिलेशन है, फोर्ड फाउंडेशन के साथ रिलेशन है। ये वियतनाम, कंबोडिया, बहरीन, थाईलैंड केवल देशद्रोहियों के साथ मिलकर जाता है और ये कभी चुनाव आयोग पर, कभी संविधान पर, कभी स्पीकर पर, जितने भी संवैधानिक संस्थाएं हैं सुप्रीम कोर्ट पर, उसके ऊपर आरोप लगाता है। मेरा आपके माध्यम से आग्रह है कि एक सब्सटेंसिव मोशन पर राहुल गांधी के ऊपर चर्चा होनी चाहिए, उसकी सदस्यता रद्द होनी चाहिए और कभी भी वो चुनाव नहीं लड़ पाए उसकी चर्चा होनी चाहिए। इस नियम के तहत मुझे इजाजत दी जाए।
So let's tell you what this actually means. If this motion passes, Rahul Gandhi could lose his membership all over again. He, in fact, also faces a lifetime ban from contesting elections. The Congress party has hit back. The party says that it is least bothered by any such notice and that Rahul Gandhi has given it an interesting trade deal and farmer twist as well. Listen in.
नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने देश को बेच दिया है, किसानों को बेच दिया है। आप मेरे ऊपर केस डालो, गाली दो, जो भी आपको करना है करो, प्रिविलेज मोशन डालना है वो डाल दो, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता। मैंने पार्लियामेंट हाउस में सच्चाई बोली है।
क्या करेंगे? प्रिविलेज नोटिस, एफआईआर, तमाम केस, ये सब क्या करेंगे? करने दीजिए, राहुल जी को फर्क नहीं पड़ता।
They tried to remove his membership last time. What happened? People elected more than than Modi ji. Check the voters of Varanasi and Rai Bareli. You removed him the parliament. After the election, people elected him more majority than Narendra Modi ji. We are not bothered about the privilege, this substantiate. We are not bothered about it. If you want to hang us, hang us.
So Rahul Gandhi's declaration that he would continue to speak up for farmers regardless of any legal or parliamentary action against him has an inherent allegation that the India-US trade deal is unfair. The Union Commerce Minister has once again rebutted these claims.
भी करना है कर लो, मैं किसानों के साथ खड़ा हूं, एक इंच पीछे नहीं हटूंगा। कांग्रेस प्रेसिडेंट खारगे जी, मैं और पूरी कांग्रेस पार्टी, हमारे सब कार्यकर्ता किसानों के साथ खड़े हैं। ये अन्याय हम नहीं होने देंगे।
So after Rahul Gandhi attacked the centre over the trade deal, saying farmers will suffer under it, the government has now hit back with a strong rebuttal. Responding with Annadatta Devo Bhava, the centre said that under the Prime Minister's leadership, farmers remain protected.
Dear farmer brothers and sisters, Rahul Gandhi ji is a habitual liar. He has no concern for Mahabharat or the well-being of our farmers and youth. In a video released today, he has broken all records of speaking falsehood and made baseless allegations. He is misleading our farmers with his fake narrative and trying to provoke our Annadatas. He has never cared for our motherland, nor can we expect him to ever work for a strong and prosperous future for India. Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji has always been empathetic towards our Kisan brothers and sisters. He has always put the interest of farmers first and taken all decisions to ensure their prosperity. Modi ji has implemented several schemes which have transformed the lives of crores of farmers.
So the government says that the rights of the farmers have been protected. In fact, it has also gone on to say that whatever Rahul Gandhi has said is misinformation. My colleague Nyamika joins us on the broadcast. And Nyamika, Congress party says that unrelenting Rahul Gandhi is going to continue raising these questions. The government, though, has branded it misinformation.
Well, if you remember, then Rahul Gandhi, in his speech in Lok Sabha over the budget, he had made a big allegation against the government of India, saying that it is the BJP government at centre who had compromised the farmers' interests. In fact, he had also gone on to say that they have sold the country while signing this trade deal with the United States. And for that reason, we have seen that how there is a continuous attack which is being made by the union ministers, specifically the Commerce Minister Piyush Goyal has been targeting Rahul Gandhi by saying that he is spreading lies. He is, presenting fake narrative to the country, and this is not truth at all. He has also gone on to say that the farmers' interests have been protected by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and on that basis only this entire trade deal has been signed. But on the other side, we have also seen that how Rahul Gandhi is quite firm on his stand, as yesterday only he had made a tweet in this regard in which he has mentioned it clearly that whatever he has said in the parliament is absolutely true. As for that reason, he has also mentioned that no matter if any case would be filed against him, no matter if anyone is going to abuse him or even sorry, I beg your pardon, or even if a privilege motion will be moved against him, it doesn't matter at all. That is the line which is being taken by the other Congress leaders as well, including the Congress General Secretary as well as a Member of Parliament, Mr. K.C. Venugopal. He had also gone on to say that even if you want to hang us, then you can do it, but the Congress party is standing with the farmers. So this is the kind of messaging which the Congress party is trying to do. They are basically putting forward this narrative that by signing this trade deal, it is basically the agricultural sector of the of our country which is being open for the United States. The way in which the tariffs have been eliminated or quite reduced for their products, that is going to make a huge impact upon our economy.
Okay, in fact, in this video, the Union Commerce Minister also addressed the farmers directly and said that this is just information, misinformation being given out by the Congress leader. In fact, the Agriculture Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan also addressed these same concerns. Let's listen in.
राहुल गांधी झूठे हैं, उन्हें देश से कोई लेना देना नहीं है, देश के किसानों से कोई लेना देना नहीं है। किसानों की मजबूती उन्हें कभी रास नहीं आई। वे तो देश विरोधी बातें करते हुए नजर आते हैं। अभी उन्होंने एक वीडियो में झूठ बोलने के सारे रिकॉर्ड तोड़ दिए। वो झूठ बोलकर देश में भ्रम फैलाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। प्रधानमंत्री श्रीमान नरेंद्र मोदी हमेशा से किसान हितैषी रहे हैं। उनका हर निर्णय किसानों के हित में लिया गया है। उनकी योजनाओं ने किसानों की जिंदगी बदल दी है। और अभी अमेरिका से जो समझौता हुआ है, उस समझौते में भी किसान हित पूरी तरह से सुरक्षित हैं।